should be right back though.
and willing to put in the work to
Okay.
live the dream can make the dream happen. What is it gonna take? What side of the dream you gonna be on? Consistency is having a goal, and when you wake up that day and you don't feel like it, you still do what you told yourself you was gonna do. That's all consistency is. It is the days you don't feel like doing it, but you look at your wife, you look at your kids, you look at the country, and you realize that I am where I am because of other people's sacrifice. I gotta get up and make it happen, even though I don't want to get up and make it happen. Because success is not a feeling, it's a mindset. And I gotta clear my mind. I need you to clear your mind of every single thing that's in it that's stopping you from being successful. Some of you are not successful not because you can't do this business. Number one, you're listening to people who have no business in your ears. Stop. It works. It works. High school dropout, America, it works if you work it. You can have and be and do whatever you want. I told you. Who are you here for? Who will benefit from you taking this business to the next level? Who's gonna benefit? They moved me in a way that I couldn't move myself. What's the impossible? What is it? Is it a dollar figure? Like really, in America, if you're gonna be successful, don't hesitate. If you're hesitating, if you're thinking about it, you're never gonna do it. Why? Don't hesitate. Why? Because the way the brain is designed, the brain, it can't do two things at once. As powerful as the brain is, it cannot think two thoughts simultaneously. You're either thinking one thought or you're thinking another one. So when you're hesitating, what does it mean? It means you're using energy to stop. It means that whatever your dreams and goals are, you're not using your energy and your strength to make that happen. Nothing is impossible. So you have to decide before you leave, what's that first thing that's been impossible for you? I want you to attack it and overcome it. I'm saying this to you because there are no excuses. If I can come from a 17-year-old that got pregnant and my biological father was not in my life, high school dropout, lived in abandoned buildings and got to this point, you can do it too. Why? Because we're in America. We can't say that everywhere in the world. But in the United States of America, nothing is impossible if you're willing to put in the work, if you're willing to put in the grind. We live in a country of opportunities. If you're willing to get up, if you're willing to work, if you're willing to grind, yes, there are obstacles. I said, you didn't hear what I
Good
said.
freaking morning, boys.
Yes, there's trials. Yes,
Today we're gonna print today, boys. Today we're gonna print because we're gonna have the right mindset today, right? We all have different strategies. We all have different goals we want to achieve in the markets today. And the only way to truly get it is to slow down, be patient, wait for your setup to set up, and then execute. With that being said, good morning, Legacy. Good morning, market makers. Good morning, Amon, Sean, everybody on the stream this morning. What's up, Versace? Good morning. I'm excited because I know today is another day, another opportunity for us to print. So hopefully all my Legacy members on the streams today threw some ink, threw some paper on their printers because we got one goal today. That's the freaking print, boys. What's up, Izzy? Good morning. Oh man, looking at these markets, looking at my trading view chart right now, and market really didn't do anything last night, huh? So let's see what we get today, because hopefully we're not going to be chopping and everything like that, because the past 2 days the markets have been chopping. Who would have thought, right? But we have another opportunity where we could possibly not chop. So we're going to see what we get. Pivots, got that. All right, so at 9:25, like usual, I'm giving you the VWAP, the 21 EMA, the pivot points, the close from yesterday, so you guys can mark your charts, everything like that, so that way you know where those things are at, so that way we know where the market's been, so we can try to figure out where it's going, right? So a lot of people think trading is you have to predict the market. Absolutely not. The best way to trade is to react to the market. So no bias for the day. I don't care if we go up or down, as long as we're moving with price action consistently with momentum. There's going to be opportunities for us to print this morning. Now I'm excited. Your boy's excited. I'm like 17 days out from being in Mexico, and I'm like counting down the days because I'm just excited, boys. Nothing beats going to your favorite resort, all inclusive, just to vibe up. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm getting ready. I gotta buy me some clothes, everything like that. You know what I'm saying? I've been there so much, I can't wear the same clothes again. You know what I'm saying? At this point,
Yo,
I gotta
D-Dub
share.
Wayne, what's the word?
What's up, Anthony? How you doing this morning, bro?
Bro, I'm good, bro. I'm gonna be there with you too, man. My flight is on the 30th, and I decided to stay until the 8th.
Okay.
So I'm gonna be at the one like right. It's on the same property as the Skirts, but it's like right in front of it.
Okay.
So
What's the name of
yeah,
that
bro.
one?
Occidental Skirts, all
Okay.
inclusive.
Well, listen, since you gonna be in my neck of the woods, brother, we're gonna have to link, bro.
Bro, and that's crazy. I'm only taking that day because it's vacation. I did not know you were gonna be there at that time, bro. That's crazy.
I think he planned this, folks. He became a market maker.
Blessings, bro.
He's like, you know what? D's going, I'm going. You know what I'm saying?
You know what's crazy though? I was looking at reviews of the place and I was just randomly typing it on YouTube. This is after we booked the flight. And I'm scrolling down, looking through all the people, and I see D-Dub Wayne and the family. Like,
You know what I'm saying?
yeah, I'm gonna show y'all the review of the place. I'm like, yo, like, this cool. I'm a market maker. I'm telling my girl, I'm like, look, I traded with him in the morning. Like, he's there already, so it's perfect. Now we got real life, real advice on what's going on at this park.
You know what I'm saying? Like, it's honestly, bro, the best hotel to stay at because I'm not sure. I haven't looked at the one you're staying at. I didn't even know there was another hotel on property. I knew they had this other one, but I didn't know there was another one in front of it. So that's pretty cool. Do you have access to the parks and everything like that?
Yes.
Okay.
So once I get there, they have a check-in upstairs where I can buy access to some of the other parks. So that's what we plan on doing.
Okay. Honestly, if you had to buy like the access to the other parks, like what are you and your girl like into? Oh, hold that thought. Let me give the stats for the markets before we just start talking for the first 15 minutes here. So, gentlemen, on the Nasdaq 2-minute chart here, futures, our 21 EMA 892.75, 892.75. Our VWAP, the volume weighted average price for whoever just asked, what's the VWAP? 859.50, 859.50. We have the close from yesterday, 805.75, 805.75 there. In between where the current price is at and all the way down to the close from yesterday, we have a pivot point below the VWAP at 826.50, 826.50, right? Let's look for the pivot above us. That is 30,028.50, 30,028.50 all the way up there. And honestly, right now, it looks like we're trying to build a bull flag. So the market may try going up, right? But we're just here to react to the market, not predict the market. So we'll be holding and waiting until we see some good execution, some good consistent movement in the markets to execute. Well, that's what I'm waiting for. I don't know if that's what you're waiting for. And honestly, today, boys, remember from last night's hangout, we were talking about trading, everything like that. Who would have thought? But we were talking about less is more. So if you're clicking that button a lot on one account, today, try pulling back just slightly. If you take 10 trades in a day, pull back and only trade 5 trades and make sure those 5 trades are A++ setups. Less is more when it comes to trading. And we're going to show you guys that today. I am trading 8 accounts today. Going to be rotating through 8 accounts. So we're going to get the ball rolling here. Market's opening in less than 3 minutes. And we're all excited because there's no better vehicle to secure our freedom than trading. We're literally clicking buttons from all different parts of the world, and we're all able to win together. That's all I'm saying. But with that being said, we got a few more minutes for market open. Good morning, Niner. Good morning to everybody. And if Sean's in here, he is. Good money day for everybody. You know what I'm saying? Like, he makes me say it now. Sean from the chat makes me say good money day, everybody. and we're just dialed and ready. Back to you, Anthony. So with you and your girl, do you guys like have like, what are y'all's interests? Because each park that the Xcaret has is different. And like if you're staying like in like the Xcaret Mexico side, like all the parks are included. That's why I was asking, are they included at that one in the front? But if you're trying,
Yeah, Playa de Carmen is where we're gonna be at. So I think that's on your side.
yeah,
And we're gonna pick maybe there's a package where we get 3 of the parks, more of the adult side of it, because we're not going with any kids or anything.
okay.
So it has something about some boat tour around, some snorkeling. What else did I see on there? The steakhouse restaurant. A
What was the
dinner
steakhouse
experience
restaurant?
at another
Quaves?
park.
Well, that's on
To be
my
honest, I
side.
don't remember the name.
Okay. Well, just let me
But that's
know.
supposed to be some type of romantic. Yeah,
I got you.
brother, we will be there for sure.
No.
You know, she only left Panama a few times. She hasn't been to Mexico, so she's excited. I'm excited to take her to Walmart, bro. She doesn't know what Walmart is. So.
Oh, you're gonna change your life, bro.
We're gonna go there. I'm gonna let her see.
Taking her to Wally World, you know what I'm
She's
saying?
gonna be like, "Oh my god."
What's up, sir? Good morning, brother. Oh man, we got market getting ready to open
Wally
here.
World, bro.
We got less than 40 seconds for market open. We're just waiting. We're reacting to the market, not predicting. That's it. But this is definitely looking like a bull flag. But we got that selling wick. We do have that selling wick though. So I want to see us clear that selling wick on this bull flag if someone was trying to take a long. We have to have clean momentum. The 21 EMA is below us here, so we got to keep that in mind also. 896, that 21 EMA. So there's market open tagging that 21 EMA right there. Let's see what we get. I am not touching this thing until I see some clean movement, because yes, I've made money the past 2 days in the chop, but I do not like trading chop, because when you trade chop, you tend to get chopped. Just saying, just saying. Good morning, Daz. All the way from Australia. My brother Daz is in the chat. Welcome back, brother. Yeah, wait for the perfect setup, bro. There's no reason to risk it at all. No reason to risk it, folks. We get paid to be patient. Don't let those fake people online fool you. You get paid to be patient. Let's see what we're going to get here, because we're starting to get a little buying wick here, but we have news at 10:30 today. We had 8:30 news today and 10:30 news today. So going to be as patient as possible. I need some clean moves today, though. I need some clean moves. Once BP comes back, I'm going to see what he's thinking for today as well. It looks like we may go down and try swiping that VWAP. 862.75, 862.75 is the VWAP. I am not itchy or anything like that yet to trade, because it's literally been about 2 minutes now. We're coming up on the 2 minutes for market open. I'm not doing the 2 minute orb. Just want to see some clean moves today. Want to see us come down, swipe that VWAP, and I want to see how we react off of it. Because I like to try waiting the first 15 minutes for market open to start executing trades. I will take trades in between sometimes, that 15-minute range, only if there's clean momentum, flags printing, everything like that. So if we get a flag with some momentum, your boy's going to execute. If we don't, though, I'm holding and waiting. Let's bring my doodle right there. Let's see if we could possibly get us a little bear flag, but we're sitting right above that VWAP. So, yeah, Yeah, that's how I'm feeling about it. Yeah. Who knows right now?
What's going on? I'm back.
Hey, what's up, EP? Good morning, sir.
What's up? Good morning.
Another day. What you feeling for today, bro? What you feeling?
Let's see what happened so far for open.
BP.
What's going on, brother? You doing good, Anthony?
Yeah, bro, I'm great, bro. I'm just over here chilling, watching the market, brother. How are you?
Doing good.
Look at this push back up. That's crazy. The bulls trapping. They're squeezing some bears right now. Oh, Nellies. Oh, freaking Nellies.
Guys, I'm so happy that my platform that I like to use a lot, Pocket Options, they have a Forex version. So I'm on the Forex MetaTrader 5 Nasdaq version of it, and I can actually get paid by the pips. Remember, I was telling you the other day, Duane, that it takes forever when I'm using Pocket Options because they don't pay by the pip. They pay a percentage and on a timer. But this one, they actually pay whether it's going up or down. So this is perfect, actually.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yes, bro. Upward. Come on, push, baby, push.
I'm waiting to see we break through my top yellow line right there. And it put me in mad late. Oh, okay. I'll take that quick 340 right there. It lagged on my entry. Not gonna lie, it lagged on that entry.
Push, great.
That's another reason why I closed out, because it lagged. I don't like being trades when stuff lagged. So we closed it. Quick 340 right there.
Today's actually, well, we'll see what happens now that market actually opened, but all the candles pre-market were like 15 to 10 point candles. They're pretty small.
Oh, this thing's pushing a little bit here. There goes that bull flag. We have that crazy wick though. Yeah, it lagged on you too. Okay, Amon.
Closing this one. Come on, give me the 300. Come on. All right, let me secure the profit like D-Dub said.
Hey, you don't have nothing until you lock it in.
Look, it's 292.
This thing's still pumping right now. This is crazy. So it looks like we may be trying to take out yesterday's high.
ES already did it.
Okay. I would like a little pullback here before we take it out so I could possibly re-enter. Now, this thing's just trying to go. Watching these Rincos.
We got 9 minutes left on that 15-minute candle.
All right, 200 right there. Not being greedy, just baits freaking hitting, boys.
8 minutes left on that 15-minute candle, gentlemen. 8 minutes left. And some change.
Yeah, we're going to swipe that high. But it's like kind of nerve-wracking because it's 30,175. When we hit that 30,000 number, we got to be careful because it may try rejecting. What's up, Curious? Good morning. Or good money. Oh, there we just broke that thing. All righty. All right, we got a pivot up here. Remember the one all the way up there? 30,028.75. That's the next target here. This thing's just pumping. Wow. Wow, this is a move right here, boys. All right, just tag that pivot through the pivot like it wasn't even there on the trading view chart. Let's see if we could come back down to 99683. Hold that spot as some support to push us higher. That's what I'm looking for right now. If we come back down to the 99683 level and hold that above, we should continue pushing here. we're through. We are through that 30,028.75 pivot, but we're dancing real close to it. So not getting too cavalier this morning with around it. Looks like we will get that potential little pullback here to build us another flag. I trade bull flags, bear flags with momentum. Very simple strategy. You get plenty of opportunities to execute using it. And right now, let's see if we build us a little bull flag, build some structure, wait for the momentum, and then we execute. That's it. Not guessing, just simply reacting to what the market does. That's it. I want that 99683 level to hold the market up. So on this little pullback here, if we drop all the way down to that 99683, I want to see the market hold above it.
All right, bro. I gotta follow firm rules.
Hey, it's crazy. It's only been 8 freaking minutes. Already put $500, and we're just keeping the ball rolling. You know what else can we do that we can make $500 in less than 8 minutes? If you find something, let me know. Has to be legal though. Just saying.
I was just gonna say that it's something out there, but it ain't legal.
Yeah, no, it has to be legal. He lost all of his accounts too? Huh? Hey, let's go, Iz. Congrats. What firm was that with, Iz?
A nice little buy, Duane.
Yeah, I just jumped in for a long here. Wanting to see the push.
Moose.
What's going on?
I was convinced I was gonna get stopped out. It literally kept wicking like right next to my stop, but I did take a long as well.
Well, just another quick 200 right there. Tradeify, let's go, bro. Good job, fam. I'm not being greedy today. I'm just doing quick base hits. What was that?
It looked like a 10K day. What if we have another super big green ass candle, bro?
Anything's possible. You know what I'm saying? Anything's possible. It's crazy. It hasn't even been 15 minutes yet. Like, that's why I love trading, right?
Today could be a crazy day. I don't know. This could be me just tripping, but I feel like if you look at like
that's what I'm saying. This can't. I feel like the next
bull flag on like a higher time frame.
Yo, BP, I'm looking at this 15-minute candle, and I feel like the next one is gonna be like huge and green as well. That's why I was saying that, like.
Right? If it's still expanding.
Oh my God.
Well, if it wants to, we ain't complaining. We do have a pivot all the way up there though. Ooh, that's high. 30,203.50. That'd be kind of crazy. You should have passed it if you hit the profit target, everything like that on that account. You just have to wait for them to update the dashboard so you can activate it. All right, as long as 99683 holds, this could be another big old bull flag to take us higher. Yeah, I'm watching this thing. I'm watching this.
I would like to just see like a new high form, just because there's very minor bearish manipulation, so I assume it's just gonna get taken out real quick.
We're above that pivot. Not trying to jump in early here, right? Not trying to jump in early, waiting to see the full momentum start to push to execute the another long here. Waiting and anticipating.
Good morning, guys.
Hey, look who it is. All right, guys, we gotta stop talking about him. He showed up today. What's up, Mitch?
What's up, bro? What's up?
Another day in paradise, brother. How you been?
Man, life's been going crazy, but we're here. Thankful to be alive another day. So, yeah, can't complain.
Hey, we're above ground. That means we have another opportunity. That's it.
Yep, my grandmother's doing a lot better.
That's awesome.
Almost back to her normal self, which is
Okay.
amazing. The past month, she was struggling with UTI and falling a lot just from the medications that was causing her to be dizzy. Was hospitalized due to one of those falls. I had her blood all over my hands and everything. It was pretty bad, but she recovered with staples in her head. And yeah, since then, she's been doing a lot better. And your boy's working at the gym in the mornings. I just got done with that. So here we are.
This minor bearish manipulations pushing for a pullback. Maybe we'll get a bounce at some point.
I just took that minor pullback right there, real quick. I did get out the 99683 level because this is the level I want to see us keep if we're going to continue expanding up here. So I did not want to be in a bounce on me. But Mitch, that's awesome. Glad you're doing better, brother. For real.
Is that Steve?
Appreciate that. Yeah, Steve.
Huh?
What's up?
Oh, everyone's sneaking on in here today.
And I'm getting ready for another vacation with my wife, so I was getting stuff set up.
Where you guys headed?
We rented a cabin, and we're gonna go out and like chill out and just do stuff, and as much or as little as we want.
Nice.
Yeah.
Wow, that happened quick.
Yeah, I'm in it too.
He's in it to win it.
This is where we rejected last time.
All right,
Hopefully
just
it'll
locked
break
in
through.
that profit right there. We're just freaking doing what we do best. Good morning, Gus. Oh, I should have waited one more second. But hey, it is what it
How you
is.
guys been?
Speaking for
I've been doing
myself,
pretty
good.
decent.
BPG.
BPG.
Steve.
All right, so
Go
the
now.
range is getting ready to get completed here. The range is
And I
getting ready to
think-
get completed. The 15-minute
I think
range.
I saw Anthony in here too.
Yeah,
Yeah, I'm
Anthony's
good,
in
bro.
here.
Yeah, he's here. That's right.
863, 863.50. It's the low of today's range. It's the low. We already broke out the range. The high of today's range is sitting at 30,064.50. 30,064.50. We're pumping right now. I want to see us pull back to the high of this range to recorrelate before we expand. That's what I would like to see. And that number I called out earlier, the 99683, act as the support we needed to bounce. And glad I got that short in profit because we definitely bounced. So
Gotta, bounce. How
The
about
bounce.
how about ES, man? What's it looking like?
hey,
Yeah,
let's
just
go,
recorrelate
Niner.
the
Go
high.
ahead, boy. See, you got it, bro. 1,100 for Niner on the day. Niner, do what you want, but I would say that's a win for the day. Don't trade anymore. Just saying.
Yeah, now
thi-
killing, bro, every day.
No baby food in the chat. This is the Nasdaq futures in Q, and we're just printing like usual. Welcome to the stream. Can't say I've seen your name in the chat. No baby food. You know what I'm saying? So, and this thing's just pumping. I feel like we're going to take out that next pivot all the way up there.
Yeah,
But are we going to get?
just
Oh,
broke
there's
the
my
100
target
points.
too. First target is 165.50. 165.50 here. Could we possibly
like-
build us a little bull flag?
Let's see a flag.
Yeah, I would like to see a flag, but this thing's just pumping. Yeah, let's see if we could get us a flag here, build some structure. Come on, Betsy. Come on now. Do what you're supposed to do, girl. New candles forming. All right, there's a new candle. Let's see if this new candle will give us become a little bit bearish, so we can
Anthony,
build that
yeah,
flag.
Candle.
Let me look at it real quick.
Almost the same size as the previous.
You gotta pay attention.
I knew that was going.
No, you gotta pay attention to Anthony because he's like a stone killer when he enters a trade. I swear, I've never seen it.
Bro.
It's like an art.
A train assassin, bro. Train. Kapow.
Oh yeah.
Kapow. I like that. You said kapow.
But I'm being smart today, guys. I got to sit on my hands. I have to pass this Evo. I can't make too much money. So I'm done for today. I hit my 300. I got to chill.
Yeah, slow and steady, brother. Slow and steady. That's it.
Yo, is that Moose?
What up? What up?
Yeah, what up, man? How you been?
Everything good. Just waiting for a retracement here.
Hey Moose, did you go to the pool yesterday?
Of course, I'm tan as hell.
That boy got cooked.
Oh yeah.
Yo, Duane, how was your trip to Europe?
Oh, it was amazing, bro. I almost didn't come back.
Yeah, yeah, I saw your stories. You guys buying some property or something?
We're looking at a couple properties out there, because one was a piece of vacant land. Second time in a row, I should have waited a little bit longer, but it is what it is. But so one's a piece of vacant land next to her sister's like hostel, that we could put like 4 or 5 villas on it if we want to build, and build another hostel as well because they make so much money out there. And then another property we were looking at for ourselves that we could put a hostel on that property as well, because whatever we do, we want generating income for us while we're not there. So we checked a couple places out. We're just seeing what we're going to do, and that's it. But we're excited. It's either going to be Portugal or Mexico.
Ooh. Mexico.
Oh, Niner, good job. Obedience is better than sacrifice. 100%, bro. Glad Niner logged off his computer. He printed his money. He reset his mind mentally, and he's walking away.
Hey man, Moose does that all the time. Let's say he's done. Sometimes he really forgets though, but God bless him.
I'm done until I go back in.
Yeah, I hear
Never say that it's your last trade because you're probably gonna take another one.
The Duane Broom epic.
So you never say it's the last lap when you're racing on the track because anything could happen.
Same thing when you're skiing. You don't say it's your last run.
Yo, done that one too many times.
Duane will stand in the parking lot even when the lifts are closed and say, you know, it's like just scooting around.
For everybody on the YouTube streams, first off, welcome to the morning stream with myself, Legacy Wealth Society Market Makers. Glad you're tuned in. So we do these streams every morning, Monday through Friday, 9:20 a.m. Eastern. We go live trading the NQ session. So welcome to today's stream. And also every freaking night of the week when I'm not traveling, we have the traders hang out 9:30 p.m. Eastern, where we're talking trading, talking life, and everything in between to make sure you're winning in the markets and securing your freedom. If you're new in here, go ahead, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, so that way YouTube knows you're kind of liking it, and they'll make more people come in, just like yourself, quality people that want to win the market each and every day to secure their freedom. Welcome. Hopefully you're staying safe in these markets. As you can hear, me and the market makers, we have a good old time on these streams because we're just living life, printing, and going about the rest of our day with peace of mind, knowing we have a vehicle that we could use from anywhere in the world to win, because all the people voices you hear are all in different states, different countries, everything like that, showing you guys what's achievable. Welcome, welcome. And crazy for my market makers, because I know some of you guys snuck in here, I'm actually going to be seeing Anthony in like a few weeks in Mexico. Make it make sense. Crazy.
Yo, Anthony, you in Mexico?
No. Anthony's everywhere, man. The guy who moves around the world.
I'm in Panama, but I'm going to vacation in Mexico.
He's going to be in Mexico when I'm in Mexico.
Mine is right across the street.
And he's going to be right by the hotel I'm staying at. So, of course, your boy has to meet the market maker.
And they ain't going to be able to handle the both of y'all. Come on now.
That's like an international incident.
Oh, that's called double dynamite right there. You know what I'm saying? As Steve would say, double dynamite.
Yo, that's legit. That'll be dope.
So I guess I'll have to make that a vlog, you know what I'm saying? Meeting a market maker of legacy in Mexico. You know what I'm saying? There we go.
Foreign exchange, man.
That's gonna be cool. That's gonna be cool.
Foreign exchange.
Are we trading while we out there, or are we just on vacation? Like
I trade everywhere I go, brother. Like that, our printing never stops. That's why we're able to travel and it never stops.
Think you get a break when you're out there? Heck no.
Do I need to bring the printer? Okay, the printer is coming.
I may. So while out there, I may for the hangouts do every other night, something like that, like Europe, because I'm thinking that may be my travel schedule for the hangouts. But the morning streams, we'll be doing these like usual each day when I'm out there.
It's not as brutal as like overseas. Like Dwayne's, like it's like the late show.
Yeah, it was rough. I'm not gonna lie. Me sitting in that sauna, I love the sauna, but trying to stay up till 2:30 a.m. to start the stream was rough.
Yeah, to just start the stream and then be on. Like it's not like you just have to be awake, but you don't want to be sitting. Nobody just wants to see you breathe in there. They want you to like perform.
No, everyone gotta see me just sweating when I was in Europe for the hangouts.
Yeah, all you gotta do is walk outside, motherfucker.
I'm waiting to see if we get another bull flag here. We already pushed to my yellow line, but I want to see more follow through personally.
Yeah. Hey, Anthony, how is the weather in Panama right now?
It's so hot you can cook bacon outside. It's super duper hot.
Yeah, but if you did the bacon, then your neighbors can come by and say, "No, I know La Gusta. I know La Gusta the smoke." Yeah.
La Gusta. You know, I was barbecuing the other day. Did I tell you that, Steven? My neighbor came and was like,
Yep. That's what I was talking about.
Expect a barbecue party happening or what?
Bro, I was smoking some ribs and my neighbor came and was like, "Hey, can you not smoke ribs?" I was like, "What do you mean?"
That's kind of crazy. Hey, can you not grill, please? I'm hungry.
He's like, "I'm fasting."
No, yeah. I'm a vegan. Well, pretend it's broccoli, bitch.
Looking at this too, man, are we getting ready to have a big pullback here? Like I'm looking at a bull flag here, but it looks like we're printing like a small little bear flag.
So did your neighbor bring a plate at least, or did you send him back with something, or what?
No, dude, he was actually upset. He was like, "I don't know what you're cooking on, but he was like, are you using coals?" I was like, "Yeah, I'm using charcoal." And he's like, "Can you not do that?" And I was like, "Definitely not." This is the best. This is the best way to do it.
I know. Is he like a representative for the George Foreman Grill? I feel like he might be like a sales rep. Try this instead. 2 easy payments of $59.99, but wait, there's more.
I might fire it up today, bro, just because. Like I told you last, I'm not even gonna put anything on there. See, I'm just gonna put a bunch of wood and charcoal and just smoke out the neighborhood.
Yeah. Just get it
smoke
going.
Out the neighborhood.
And choke that thing out. Just like close the thing so it just simmering.
I was about to slime the whole neighborhood and smoke everybody out.
And if I was a neighbor down there, I'd be like, "Hey, man, let's fucking get together and both cook on it." You know what I mean? Let's like
exactly.
double the size.
Yo,
That's what it's
a block party.
Exactly.
Like when I'm cooking, I walk out to like the far edge of my yard in the front. I can still smell it. It's just like, yep, that's how it's supposed to be.
It's moving too slow.
Yeah, it's starting to move pretty slow here. We do have news at 10:30.
Hey, BP, where are you at?
I have a bunch of longs set up, but I didn't get filled.
Order not filled.
Yep, order not filled. Unfortunate too.
I had the blue line of misery, which is crazy because there's not a lot of volume here. But I clicked, and even before it sat for a second. Like, what's going on?
So just clean that up. So I did take a trade, went into the red, cleaned it back up, green 270. Yeah, it looks like we're going to go up there for that 203. The 203.75 pivot. But I'll be holding 10 o'clock's getting ready to drop in less than a minute. No news, but I'm always careful around 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 9:45,
baby.
because the market moves pretty sporadic sometimes, and I'm not trying to get chopped. So after 10 o'clock, I'll look for another trade here. I feel like we're going to go swipe that 203. Actually,
Based up, where you at? Where's your scene in the trading?
What's up?
I'm just curious where you're at with the trading today.
Oh, I'm up 862 on this eval.
Sweet.
let's get it. All right, getting a little pullback. Let's see if we build another flaggy flag. We do have news at 10:30. 10:30 news today.
30, baby.
But I'm not trading. Niner, yep, don't trade, bro. You already did what you had to do. You executed. Now it's time to sit back and relax, brother.
Bro, there was like a little bit of a
Volume dump. Yeah, I saw that too.
Hello, go away.
Look, I don't want to go away. I'm having a good time.
Nah. What he tried to do before, he tried to like bite me. Because I'm not paying attention.
So your dog tries biting if you don't pay him any
My
attention.
cat.
That's kind of
My cat.
may want to work on that, Moose.
Oh,
Hey,
those are
I
bites.
actually,
Cats are assholes.
I actually have a Drake like that. It's a male. It's a huge
Oh, wait.
male duck.
Oh.
He's like a Muscovy, and he'll come up and he'll like pull on my shorts pocket because he wants to be fed.
You know, this guy's an asshole. Like that's why if anybody brings their dog to bite me, I'm gonna get my cat.
I'm gonna get my cat.
He's gangster. What I got? He is
Let me go get
gangster.
my cat.
Yeah, like
I'll
yo,
bring my-
I'm gonna go get me my Rottweiler. Like, all right, I'll be right back. Give me a second. I'm gonna come back with my cat in my bag, and you be like, "What the hell?" I'm like, "Let him loose."
You got a big cat or no?
Huh?
Is your cat big or small?
It's a panther.
I mean, he looks pretty big to me. I don't know, but he got teeth.
Get him, Garfield. Attack.
Get him, Garfield.
You know what's funny? He's orange.
Oh, no, that's a crazy cat, bro. That's like
Yeah,
that's a
the
crazy
orange
cat.
tabbies are known to be wild, yo.
Man, that thing is psychotic.
Yo, right now he's one
Hello,
minute
good
he's
morning.
cool,
This
the
is
next
Anthony with
minute
Del Mar Safety. How are you?
he's like, I hate everybody. He's mad moody. Right now, I just caught him next to my leg, and I know what he does already. Like, I know his routines. So now I start fucking with him. Like, yo, you better get away from me. If you bite me, I'm gonna fuck you up.
No animals were harmed on these streams, by the way.
No, not on the stream. But get off the stream, watch.
Get off the stream and watch.
fight anybody.
The gangster duck.
Right. Everybody
Listen.
gonna get them paws, man.
Listen,
Everyone's gonna get them paws.
not
Paws
for
rated
nothing.
E for everybody.
Not for nothing, but back home, even here, I got niggas, I got dudes that respect my gangster.
Ah.
This cat don't respect me at all. This cat don't- Listen,
What was that first part?
yeah.
Look, that cat throws gang signs. I've seen it.
Yo, I'm not even playing.
Oh,
yo.
man.
You caught that?
No, I always catch it.
I was gonna get like gully with it. I'm like, can't do that here.
Got your tongue tied.
It's time and place. It's time and place. Yo, you're listening too close.
You're listening
Dude,
too
I'm always
close.
listening, man. I'm always listening. Even my friends here be like, Mitchell, you listen too well. I'm like, sorry.
You know what's funny? I was talking to one of my clients. He's a lawyer, right? Mind you, he's a very high-end lawyer. Like, very high-end, right?
Mhm.
And I'm there, I'm talking to something, and he's like complaining about a client, whatever. I'm like, yeah, these motherfuckers. He's like, huh? Like, nothing. Sorry. I had a
You wanna
minute.
finish that
I had a
sentence?
second there. Yeah.
My mom is on this stream. You got to calm it down.
There's cheerleaders ears around here.
You gotta know when to turn it off.
Bro, I was like, oh, what was that? That one time I forgot who I was calling, some business I called. I could tell the dude on the other side of the phone was black. And so I had to use some words. And just based off his reaction, I was like, where are you from? He's like, Georgia. I'm like, uh-huh. I was like, nice code switching. Like, you almost fooled me.
Yeah, listen. You know, you can take the dog out of the ghetto, but you can't get the ghetto out of the dog, right?
Yeah.
What up, dog?
I just turn it off when I need to.
Like, good morning, sir.
Absolutely. And then
What's
later
good,
on, it's
man?
like, yo, you mother.
And that's just to his charts.
Yeah. Oh man.
I mean, you get straight street when it comes to your charts.
Yo,
Like,
listen. I went to my son. A kid like pushed him and hit him like 2 years ago, right?
Ooh.
And I went to the school. And typically, I walk in the office, and everybody knows me. They're like, "Hey, how are you?" I'm like, "Hey, what's going on?" Everything, blah blah blah. Right? Long story short, since he got hit, they called the principal, right, or one of the whatever they call the VPs, right?
Yeah.
And when I sat down with the principal, everything came out. And I was like, "Yo, this little ninja's gonna have to get his uncle, blah blah blah." Like, yo, let me tell you, my son is pussy, but I'm not. Yo, the principal was like, "I'm sorry."
Like, whoa.
Yo, the principal of the school was like, "I'm sorry."
Excuse me,
She
that
had
hearing
never seen me like that.
Yeah, that's
Yo,
when they get scared.
Yeah.
Like, somebody get this security, please.
Play with my kids.
This man is not
Security.
acting.
He's about to get his cat.
Yeah, it showed up in the office with a cat carrier. They're like, shit's going down.
What you got in the bag?
Don't worry about
Surprise.
it. Yeah, as long as y'all act in line, you ain't got to worry about what's in this bag.
Yo, for real, I swear to God, I was like, I told him, I was like, he gonna need his uncle, his little cousin, he gonna need everybody. I said, my son he's a punk, but I ain't no pussy. Because I was in the moment and I realized it, but when I saw the principal's face, later on when I was like thinking about it, I was like, damn.
Never
Maybe
scared
I
out of their
would've
boots.
known. Yeah, like, this guy's crazy. He's too much, yo. Yeah, I made sure I never did that again.
Smart man. Not trying to get banned from the school.
Facts.
Absolutely. Mind you, I live in an upscale area, so you know how it is over here.
You got to keep your reputation.
Yeah. And every time I go to the school, I'm like, "Hey, how are you?"
They're like, nah.
Hi.
we know what you're really about.
No,
Oh,
like
that's what that
after
Mr.
that,
Nice.
they're like, "Hi, Moose. Say hello to your uncle and your cousins, and we like you a lot."
Right? Yeah.
So you get your son trained up on how to handle himself out there, or what?
No, so listen, my son is a really good kid, very, very respectful, whatever, right? So when he got hit, I was hot. I go to this mother's house because that's where she had told me, because long story short, he was there because she picked him up, right? So I go to the house and I'm like, yo, you're gonna punch him right in his shit. You're gonna do that. You're gonna defend yourself. And my son starts crying. Right? And I'm like, why are you crying? You're not in trouble. Like, I want you to defend yourself. Like, don't bully nobody, but I want you to defend yourself. I said, why are you crying? He's like, I don't want to be a bad boy. Mind you, he was like 12 years old. Like, I don't want to be a bad boy. That shit broke my heart because I teach my son to be good.
Right.
But now I got to teach him to, put your hands up. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
So, but now I'm going to put him in boxing.
Heck yeah.
You start getting wild, throw him a hook.
Throw him a hook.
Yeah.
With that 1-2 punch action.
Yeah, man.
And like, and if he ever goes to somebody's house and they need to move a coffee cup off the counter, to throw him a hook and they could put it up on the cabinet and hang it. I mean, the hook. That's just old school. There's nothing about that. That's how it's handled in my day.
Yeah.
Dwayne, are you trading the chop right now?
I've been sitting in this trade for like forever.
No, I've been watching.
Have you noticed how quiet Dwayne has been?
Well, y'all were talking. I'm just sitting here. I'm in a trade.
I'm watching every single candle show up, and I was like,
are you gonna buy?
Man.
I am in a buy.
I'm down 230 right now.
Oof.
Yeah, I mean, I'd rather be at 230 than I was down for freaking like 1,000 before. I'm like, oh no, I waited till it went up. I should have held it a little bit longer, but I'm cool. I'd rather be 230 than keep risking it. 230, I'll make it back quick. My EMAs are very close to the candles, so leave it alone. Leave it alone for a little while. And this 15 has 4 more minutes and hasn't moved a damn thing.
Here you go. You got some action.
Now I just need ES to do the same thing. Otherwise, this long I'm in is also cooked on ES. I just TP'd on freaking. I TP'd on NQ. I got in at like 170 on NQ.
Nice.
But now I'm looking for ES to make this next high because I have 4 micros in it. But we'll see. It's dancing. I don't like it. Recorrelate, please. Go up.
Market, listen to BP.
BP would like ES to make another high and recorrelate just like NQ.
All right, so I'm only down now $40 in this account. I closed out. Like he says, moving slow, but I feel like we're going to go hit that pivot, that 203.75.
And then keep in mind, you got the 200.
Good job, ES. Keep it going. You're so close, ES. Just a few more points. You got this, buddy.
All right, I cleaned that up. We're green. Tag that pivot point as well.
I'm partialed. There we go. Some of them are getting hit.
There we go.
I'm gonna go break even.
Another green freaking day. We'll take it.
Some more partials. I've got one runner. I got one runner. I'm just gonna leave him.
Let it run.
I still haven't tried to fix up this mess.
I will wait to see if we get like one more clean move. I'm gonna take one more trade for the day on this account.
All right, I just cleaned this up. That was unfortunate.
What do you mean you cleaned it up though?
Yeah, it's just if I had never made those bad trades, it would be a green day.
No, I feel you on that. If I never took an extra trade on this account that I just switched back to, I would have been up like 540. I'm at 270. So
I took a buy and earlier, but it was the retracement is what killed me. So it went up, back up. That's why I'm now 230, but 220, 223. But I'd rather just wait it out now.
My next target is 266. 266 here. That's my second target. Above this pivot point. As long as we stay above this pivot, we'll keep on expanding here.
Where is your pivot, if you don't mind me asking?
We're sitting right on it. 203.75.
See, I don't have that. That's wild.
Yeah, it's on Trading View. I trade mainly prop with Tradeify and Lucid. But end of next week, we are purchasing a couple evals, and we're doing a whole new series on the channel where I'm taking the account from the eval to the funded, then getting payouts on the funded, then putting in a live funded account, and we're going to flip that live funded to 1 million in a year.
Let's go.
So,
that boy gonna be cooking.
Yo, is ES back at all-time highs? It is. Damn, NQ has a lot of expanding to do.
hey, and we're here for it if it wants to move quick.
We literally have like 900 points to expand to recorrelate.
That's crazy. 900 points?
Them boys better pop this sucker.
Gonna pop this sucker.
That sounds like a Trump tweet. 900 points, bro.
For real.
Yo,
The only bad thing is that NQ has been kind of lagging behind ES for a little bit, just because when you look at the daily lows,
NQ's always lagging.
NQ basically swept out the lows from June 11th, and ES didn't. So like that's part of the reason why it's had such a more bullish reaction. It's like a daily bullish S&T. So
Well,
really
hopefully-
higher time frame manipulation.
Yeah. Hopefully we
Probably why
get
it's
some type
top.
of clean movement. 'Cause it's creeping right now.
I feel like we got to do some kind of pullback at some point if we still want to make it all the way up there.
No baby food. Glad you made $400, bro.
He threw me off with that tag. It's like,
No baby food in the chat. Just said that last trade you closed out put me up 400 on my eval. Just opened it this morning. First trade on it. Appreciate you, boss. That's what the man just said. Listen, we all print here, folks. We all freaking print. That's all we know. Right now, we're just waiting for some momentum. And until the momentum comes, we're chilling. We're sitting right below this pivot point. So we need to get above the pivot with some momentum for us to show we're going to continue to expand here. Then I gotta fix my dryer today. My dryer stopped heating.
see, I told you that those newfangled things, it's probably...
No, my new washer is fine. It's my old dryer that I had to buy a part for it coming in today. I'm gonna be MacGyver fixing it. If it don't fix, I'm buying a new one. That's it.
You probably just need a new heating element, and while you're
That's what I got. That's what I got.
Well, heating element, and then change the thermal fuse too, because sometimes it'll act up. But on the new stuff, you gotta watch it. I bought the commercial one. I was so sick of it. Like when I moved into this house, they had an LG like smart one, and I traded it for an old Whirlpool because when I saw the heating element went out and the cost of the part, I was just like,
Yeah, the heating element was only like $30. So
Well, that one's not bad then. LG, the Drama was like 120.
And then it's better you do it yourself too, just because I think like the labor on washing machines and dryers, I think it's like $100 an hour or something like that.
Well, no, but just a trip charge to get them out there is like
True.
You know,
There's that too. We are looking at some very minor manipulation that kind of is affecting, I think, a little bit, just because NQ swept out the highs and ES made lower high. But we're probably just trying to tag some other pool of liquidity below here.
I think we're gonna end up coming back a little bit.
ES has swept out the candles all the way to 1010.
Wait, are you in the trade? You're quiet.
I am in a trade. I am in a trade.
The boy is sneaky.
In the buy or the sell?
I'm in a buy right now.
He's looking to go to the moon.
Looking at this, NQ hasn't confirmed longs yet, but it's trying.
Well, I'm just looking at the 1 minute, and that just like says everything I need to know. And then that thing that I hope that you remembered to forget about, that MACD, it's also good for me.
Do they have it on TradingView, or is it only a downloadable thing?
No, it's MACD is everywhere.
No. I know the MACD, but the one that you're using. Also,
it's a menu thing. You just go in and you fix it.
We're gonna take that. We'll chill at that. We'll chill at that. Quick 205.
Let's go.
I was in that long for a while too, doing 7 minutes.
That's a
Hey, mega scalping. All right.
for real.
I mean, it was just going back and forth, back and forth.
That's not even a scalp. That's like a haircut.
I mean, hey, I got mine about 2 weeks ago.
I was gonna go see Moose, but he said I had to bring my uncle and my cousin, and so they weren't around.
I'm getting ready to kill this. I don't like that reaction we just had there.
2, 3.
Are we turning and burning on this one?
I'm getting ready to kill this here in a second. If the bulls don't step in, I'm gonna kill it.
You still in the buy?
Yeah, I'm still in the buy.
Yeah, this must just be manipulation, to be honest.
Let's see if we bounce off right here. If not, this is getting killed.
I guess, yeah, this would be the ideal spot.
It got a little bit of support on my Camarillo pivot resistance too. That's where the body is right now.
I'll put music on in a minute.
Well, how about you just bust a freestyle?
That ain't happening.
Yo, DJ, what up? We got ourselves a nada.
Come on, Betsy.
Based on the 15-minute projection, the -4 is at 30,225. We haven't hit it just yet, but we're getting there. So I think that's where a major target is going to be. ES just tagged its -4.
Okay.
So we're looking for NQ to probably come and take these highs as well to recorrelate.
So like, what number would that be? Like 300s, 2 something?
Well, right now we need to recorrelate with 219, but the -4 is at 225.
I feel like it wants to push, but it's just having a little issue.
Indecisive.
I don't like that. I don't like it when I'm in the chop.
It's 2 for 2.
I want to see it start to push pretty aggressive here for this flag. Since I've been in the structure part of it.
But you were watching when they were like weaving the thread that would become the fabric of the flag.
Dwayne's been there since the beginning. Once they put that pole up,
Pretty much.
he's one with the flag.
I've been flapping with it, I'll tell you that.
NQ's crawling to it, but it's slowly getting there.
It's slow, bro. This is slow.
This is Duane.
ES is just moving. It's up there now. I think we're actually getting close to the -4.5.
Do you feel like I should make the move to ES? Oh, great one.
Oh, ES's move is like gonna. I can't say it's gonna exhaust, but from my measurements, I would have, pretty much been completely out at this point on ES.
Well, I mean, since NQ's been like in the same neighborhood for 38 minutes, I feel like it's kind of exhausted as well. You know what I mean?
Yeah, it's crawling to it though. It's got some targets and it wants it.
You can do it.
You could do it.
Kind of stalling out a little bit.
It is. I wanted a little bit more push, but we did not get the push.
Wait, what's the longest you've ever been in a trade?
Right now?
Like today, like the amount of time that he's been in trades today, like is more than last September and October combined.
Pretty much.
Oh, that's funny.
I have a bullish manipulation zone that's kind of like from 198 is the top of it. Oh, I just tagged it basically. Hopefully we make the new high and swipe these.
I've got a demand box right there.
Guys, I gotta get out of here. Talk to you later.
Have a good one, brother.
See you, Moose. Have a good one.
Hey,
Later,
have a
Moose.
good
guys.
one.
Three-and-a-half-minute warning on the news.
Good call.
Thank you, oh great one.
Oh, great one.
And thank you for not answering my last thing on your text. You're right, it was silly.
Wait,
You're right, it was silly.
3 days ago, suck up.
Dang, not 3 days ago. That's crazy.
Job, turkey.
My bad. Oh, you're like underneath like all of my. Oh shit.
The truth's coming out. BP's not texting people back.
No, that's the truth.
No, you're underneath all the clientele. My bad.
That didn't work. I think I'm ready to like trash this thing just because it's that linkage stuff. I'm sure of it, but it's like I don't know how to tune those, so it's like cost versus like thing. I don't know. I like if I ever buy another, and this is totally like antithesis who I am, but if I ever buy another like lawnmower, I'm getting an electric one.
I mean,
Because the new shit is junk. it's absolute junk. Like I had my Briggs and Stratton from my other house, and my ex-wife ended up giving it away. But like that thing, I had that thing for like 20 years. Did the tune-up every year, ran like a top. These new ones have all this bimetal choke stuff, the linkage. You can't adjust anything. It's like, and I'm not gonna spend $500 to buy something that might be equivalent today. So
True.
it's just bad for the planet, is all, because you just trash everything. But it's like a new car. Like, it's not worth fixing after a certain point because it's like all the computer and stuff. You know, it's like old
But
cars.
oh, there's your pop, Dwayne.
Finally.
Hey, that boy moving.
Yeah, it popped up quick.
It wasn't quick.
Right back down.
It wasn't quick.
No, the pop. Yeah. There was some dance.
That's anything but quick.
There's definitely some dance there.
Did we get a little bit more here?
All right, uno minuto till 10:30.
All right, back to the chat.
Yeah, keep them hands off that keyboard.
I'm done. Hands are up, folks. The hands are up.
Nah, keep them up. Keep them up.
That took way too long. I'm not trying to sit in anymore. I'll lock in that profit and run.
I mean, I got to give you credit. You weren't grabbing the wall.
It wasn't that bad of a trade, Steve. The wall grab only happens if it's a bad trade. Can't be your own people. Like, no respect. Crazy.
Oh, absolute respect.
I still feel like we're going to swipe
Slight shade.
265.75. It's just creeping slow. How do you draw those yellow lines on the chart? Well, very simple. If you're on InterTrade, you click the little pencil icon right there, hit line
Either that or F2.
or F2, and then you just change the color. I put mine a yellow, and that's it. And then I just copy it, and then whenever I want another line, I just hit paste.
Do F2, it's easier.
F2. I've never tried F2. Let's see. Oh no. Oh.
You got to be at a chart, though.
I like that, Steve. Steve put me on game, boys.
Yeah, get them hotkeys to work.
And then if you do Control F12, that's your like rectangle if you want to do your opening thing, if you're drawing that. So those are like the ones. And then F6 is like the line across, the blue line, if you want to set a level. So I use that one too.
Oh, you said news at 10:30, yeah?
Yeah, news at 10:30. Man, look at it move the markets. That's a joke. It didn't move, boys.
We laugh, but remember yesterday it was like a minute and a half later, and it did that weird like
Yeah,
thing.
yo, it was like a delayed reaction.
Yeah, and then it poured on the coal.
It changes to green when it moves. Oh, you may be talking about. Are you talking about the bottom line on the 1 minute chart on the Renkos? That's just like a trend line. Those print automatically.
The VWAP.
Oh yeah, nice. I didn't get put in. Let me close that. Crash.
Oh, what a pump this morning, boys.
Hey, Duane, does the Renkos act like Hakanashi candles? Is that what they are?
Yes and no. I like them. It's just easier for my eyes to spot the momentum. So all my entries are based off the Renko bars. But I'm looking for the flags below on the 1 minute and the 5 minute. And as soon as I see the momentum carry through where my yellow line, I'm double checking the Renkos to confirm, and then I execute. We're going to swipe that 265.
Hey, Steve, I'm moving over to Apex.
All right, that's a sign. I'm done trading for the day. I just took 2 different trades. I did not get filled on either.
What'd you do?
Huh?
I said, what'd you do?
I've taken 2 trades now that I didn't get filled on either. That were green trades.
Hey, baby.
I got that see 262.25.
Yeah, we're gonna hit 265 and this Aggie. Let me not. I did well today, and we're just gonna keep it. What's up, Jonathan?
Well is not in your vocabulary.
No, it's in my vocabulary today.
Oh,
We printed today. We printed. We did print today, so that part I'm not mad about. Yeah, I'm in that mindset. I'm not going to risk it either, right? There's no reason to risk it. So why give back profits? That's how I'm thinking right now. I'm like, I put money in all the accounts I traded today, so there's no reason for me to give anything back. So in order for me to want to execute again, it has to be a crazy, solid freaking move, tons of momentum. It has to be the A++++++ setup for me to want it. You know what I'm saying?
Plus.
Just saying. So quick reminder for the new people in the chat. We have the traders hangout tonight, 9:30 p.m. Eastern. Fireside as long as weather permits. Talking trading, talking life, and everything in between. Come hang out with us tonight.
My friend, mañana trabajo with Jorge.
Huh? ¿Qué?
Sí, mañana.
Mañana.
Hola.
6 a.m. Via Lucre.
Yeah, we're getting ready to hit the second target here. Once we hit it,
okay,
we're going to see.
See you mañana.
Mañana.
Getting ready to tag it. All right. We were like a tick off. There we go. Just tagged it. Let's see what happens now. I would expect some type of a pullback eventually, right? You can't just go up all day without coming back down a little bit. Let's see. So since we're right here at my second, once we get above, I'm gonna get the third target here. All right, third target is all the way up there at 30,366.25. 366.25 is my next target.
Right.
Crazy. Have a good one, Niner. See you tonight.
Later, Niner.
See you.
Maybe we build. I don't even know. I want to see another flag get formed.
Steve, you gonna say it?
Huh?
Steve?
Hmm?
You gonna say it?
Am I gonna say it?
Yeah.
Let me know what I need to say, baby.
Duane would like to see a flag.
Oh yeah, there you go. Wayne would like to see a flag.
Yo, this thing is still pushing up. Honestly,
Man,
I think it just needed that consolidation for accumulation. And now it's pushing.
Y'all should have just launched from the bottom for real. Hindsight
I've been
2020,
taking
but yeah.
longs all day for the most part. Took a couple shorts as well that printed. So right now we're just waiting. Anticipate.
Yo, what tool is it that tells you how many points we're up from where we started at? What tool is this?
It's a ruler.
Oh, here it is. Thank you.
It's
Got
a
it.
ruler.
Thank you.
I wouldn't be looking for longs until we get above the 265.75 level. Personally,
Okay.
that's where I'll be looking for longs once we get above that. Because right now it looks like we're just building structure for a flag here.
The Nasdaq is up 1.32%, 400.25, 68 bars. I don't know what any of these numbers mean necessarily. It's not saying points, but 68 bars, 1 hour and 8 minutes of time. It's a lot of points.
Yeah, what's your point, man?
All right, let me sharpen my pencil real quick. I'll give you a point.
We are a little pullback here.
Ooh.
All right, close that out. Let's see if the Bulls try stepping in. If the Bulls don't step in, we may fall back down around the 205 level. That's where we have a pivot point here.
He's holding onto his knee, and now I know why. He's in a trade. He can't reach the wall.
Oh, I can still reach the wall. I'm done. I'm done, boys. 1685 on the count. We're done for the day. This is looking like a little bull flag here. Wait for the yellow line push through, and that's going to be your long opportunity there. You heard it here first.
The thing is it just kind of meandering. ABP.
What's up?
You see the Dow?
That's what we did today.
I haven't really looked at it.
Not too freaking shabby. We added up. See what we did.
It looks like the Dow's honestly just chopped today in comparison to the rest of the market.
Yeah, but it did have that bearish move before.
Yeah.
Baby, I think I found one of those scammers because this person is saying $20,000 for us to stay there. But when I go to the official website, it's $1,700 for the amount of days that we're staying.
For where? At the one you're staying at?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
I got in on with a little membership and a discount and promotion.
Yeah.
So for my 8 days there, if I pay today, it's $1,780 something.
Okay.
But then I'm also still gonna pay for 3 of the parks too, so it's probably gonna go up to about maybe $2,500.
All right. Let me know when you go to the parks because we're gonna be sliding to the parks as well, dude. So because for us, all the parks are included, so we just go randomly to whichever parks we feel like going to for the day.
Yeah, my girl was laughing at me because when I was booking it on the escorts, it was showing me 1,000 per night. So I'm telling her, I'm thinking that's for the week.
No,
It was
no, no,
1700
no,
for the
no,
week. I'm like,
no.
"We good." Then I got to the checkout. And it said $8,000. I was like, oh shit, I ain't tearing the market up like that yet. Hold on, relax.
Amon, great job, great job. When do you stop on like 8? When do you stop on? It just depends. Depends on market conditions, everything like that. Right now, the markets are being slow, so I would stop trading if you're still trying to trade, and if you're up, just take your money and run. No reason to risk it. But yeah, like right now, like me and my girl are going that first week of September, but we're going back in November as well, taking the whole family, and like supposed to have some other people come out there because that's gonna be my birthday as well. And like we're debating, like, do we just get the presidentials because it's $12,000 presidential, but you get the service you get from the experts amazing. But when you have like the presidential or like the adults only, like Fuego building Casa, like you have like your own butler. You know what I'm saying? Which is amazing. So we're just debating, like, do we just spend the 12 grand for the presidential suite for November, or what? I told her, my baby, if I make like 10 to 12 grand this month, we'll just buy the presidential suite right away because it'll be free. We're going to keep printing money in the market, so I probably mentally think about money wrong. Like every time I trade, like everything else in life is. So if I take $12,000 in payouts, like the room is free. I didn't have to actually go work or anything. What?
Yeah, that's what I'm doing for this trip too. I'm using the pocket options money, so it feels kind of free, for sure. Hey, my birthday's in November too. D-Dog, when's your birthday? Mine's November 30th.
16. Yeah, we're going to roll down to that 203 area, 203, 205 area where the pivot point's at. This is your time to be looking for some shorts here. We should roll down. As long as this momentum carries, we'll start looking heavy on the Rincos and down.
Yeah, bro, my flight from here to there is only like 2 hours and some change too, so it's gonna be like pretty quick.
Oh, that's not bad. Like this is the only time I'm gonna stand up for the next 15 minutes because I've been sitting for way too long. This is the only time I wish Spirit was still around, because since they're gone, Spirit would have the early morning flight into Cancun. So now that Cancun Spirit is no longer, they don't have the early morning flight in, because that's what we would normally do when we're going to the Express. We would fly in first thing in the morning, get to the property by like 9-10 o'clock in the morning, and pretty much have a whole extra day on the property, you know what I'm saying? But now that they got rid of it, I think we'll be getting to the hotel like around like 12, like right around lunchtime, which isn't bad. Technically we can't check in till like 3-4 o'clock, but they'll still put the bands on you. You can still hit all the parks, you could use the property. So that's why we go early. It's like, if we're able to, might as well, you know what I'm saying? Like, because our flight, we're flying actually to Fort Lauderdale and then shooting over at Cancun the next day, because the flights from where I'm at, it was going to be like later in the day. We'd be landing like at like 2-3 o'clock. I'm like, I don't want to get to the resort at 2-3 o'clock.
Yeah, our flight is 6:57 a.m. and we will land at 9:50 a.m. So it's 2 hours and 53 minutes.
Nice. You had you're taking the bus over to the property, right?
Once we land. Yeah.
Yep. So this is so you're going to have to go to the lounge, everything like that, for the Express at the airport.
Yeah, and I'm doing the Star Lounge before we leave. So I'm telling baby I'm getting wasted in the VIP lounge before we even get on the flight.
But yeah, so depending upon what terminal you're flying to for Cancun, they have an X-Correct lounge at both terminals. So once you pass all the people trying to get you like taxis, rental cars, all that, the lounge is past all that, and you'll spot the guy in the pink shirt with the lanyard, everything like that around his neck, and they'll check you in right there, and then they'll usher you to the lounge, and you wait for the bus to pick you guys up, to take you to the resort.
Nice. Yeah, that's cool right there. Yeah, while we waiting for check-in, I told you I'm gonna take her to Wally World so she get to see what Wally World is like.
Yeah. But no, I'm excited for you. You're going to really enjoy it, bro. Like I said, you have access to send me messages in the community, bro. Like DMs. Shoot me a DM what y'all's plans are, because we're heading to the parks that week as well. So we could possibly link up at the park, something like that.
Yeah, for sure, bro.
To vibe up.
Yeah, I want to try to meet you too in the morning too before market opens, so we can trade there. Then after 11, you know, split. I'll go get, because she's probably not gonna wake up till like 10:30, 11 anyway.
Yeah, I'm just not sure, since you're staying on that other property in front of the actual resort. I'm not sure if you'll be able to have access to my side of the resort.
Yeah, we're gonna see. I hope so. I hope that's what that those packages are for, because it's literally, when I looked at it on YouTube, it was like right in front of the main check-in for the main one, for the main escort. So
yeah, like they have another property. I've seen it. We always pass it heading to the phase 1 and phase 2 of the X-Correct. So I'm just not sure if being on that property that you're going to be on, you have access to the phase 1 and phase 2.
Yeah, I'm just gonna run past security and be like, watch out, I got one.
No, they got, bro, they got the, you've never been, they're literally armed guards at the gates, bro.
Fully loaded.
With AR-15.
I was just gonna say that, bro. I was just gonna say that.
Like, you ain't running past nobody. Like, even when they're doing the transport on the bus from the airport or just the shuttle to take you to the parks, like, they're literally stopping the driver and make sure it's the right person, right driver.
Nah, for sure, bro. I'm already.
Like, it's so secure, bro. That's why I could be on YouTube saying where I'm going, because I know none of y'all could get there. You can't run up on me at the X-Correct. It's impossible.
It's impossible.
They got AKs, ARs, just chilling, even at the parks too. You know what I'm saying? Because you gotta understand, all the big resorts in Mexico are owned by the cartels. And they ain't trying to mess their money up. So they don't want to have tourists come and then tourists get hurt on their properties, because that's going to affect their pocket.
It's a liability.
So they're suited and booted. You know what I'm saying? They're suited and booted.
Bro, it's crazy, because that's exactly how they act in Panama too, bro. Like, fully AKs, machine guns, just in front of the grocery store. I'm like, bro, we just.
I mean, you gotta protect our food, man.
I'm just trying to get some bacon.
Yeah, I first got here, the dude was like looking at me like, I'm like, hey, bro, I live here, bro. I'm good. He was just like, all right. Don't make me have to pop your ass.
It's like, bro, you see me every day.
But yeah, Anthony, shoot me a message in the community later today of what property you're staying at.
Mitchell.
And I'll check with our point of contact for the resort to see if you're able to jump over to our side, or if we could jump over to your side.
Yeah, for sure, bro.
I'm sure we could jump over to yours, but if you could jump over mine, that'll be dope. You'll be real happy.
Yeah, bro, I can't wait.
ES has taken all of these lows to the left.
So what you think it's going to go down or up, BP? You can't just say that. You got to tell us what you're feeling.
I mean, it's all about just wait. It's the waiting game. We have to wait to see if it's going to recorrelate, or if the candlesticks that are responsible on ES for taking them, which would be the candlestick at 1048. So if we theoretically flip 1048, it might go bullish, but if we fail to get above there, then it's probably going to try to recorrelate and take out those lows, which the lows would be at like 186 and like 159. So that's what I would be looking for. Either we're gonna get a candle closure above and it might go bullish, or we're gonna recoilate to the downside.
Hit.
I didn't mean to interrupt y'all.
No, listen, we're chilling. I'm not trading anymore, folks. So if you're expecting to see order filled, it ain't happening. We did what we had to do. We came, we conquered, and now we're going to run from these markets at 11 o'clock so that way we don't give nothing back. We're doing what we have to do. That's it.
Yeah, I'm not trading anymore either.
Oh yeah, Anthony. I said when he said they got the guns outside the grocery store, and that guy was like gonna pop you, whatever. I was like, bro, you see me every day.
Bro, exactly,
You
bro.
see me
Like,
every day.
it took them a while because I'm a pretty big black guy, bro, walking around here. So I'm definitely like they see me for sure. It took them
Why
a
you gotta be
while,
black? No, I'm just playing.
They're like, why are you here? Because they're only used to seeing like tourists for a couple of days. So the fact that they're seeing me every day, they're like,
They
going
keeps you
over
out.
here?
Like, this man overstaying his welcome.
Right, like,
Overstaying
what
his
are you
welcome.
doing here?
That's crazy.
You were supposed to be gone 2 days ago. It's been 3 weeks.
Yeah, it's pretty cool, bro. I like living here.
Boys, we are up 1349.5 on the day.
Hey, let's go.
Nice.
Boys, not seeing those kind of numbers in a few weeks.
But you're seeing them now.
Yes, sir.
Staying consistent, that's all it is. Coming back each and every day, trying to perfect, trying to learn. You know what I'm saying? That's how we grow in this industry at the end of the day. You only truly lose if you quit.
Also, I gotta give it to God because I don't know about y'all, but I would not be in this position without God. So I had to say a prayer before I even hopped on my computer. Was give it to him before I try to do it all on my own, because on my own, man, your boy was failing.
Yep. You gotta give him the stress. You know what I'm saying? Like, hey, you gotta give him the worries, everything like that. That's what I did this morning.
Cast your cares unto the Lord.
Yo,
We're getting ready to tag that 206 area, 205 area that I was talking about.
y'all remember that little box thing I was telling you about on my chart here from my friend that
Oh,
made me
there's
the
the
algorithm?
dumb.
There we go.
Says, faithful and
Let's
little,
go.
faithful and much.
I'm not in a short though.
Oh, I'm not touching it. Even though it's doing what I said it was going to do, I don't care at this point.
Man, I should have held my shirt from way up there.
We're coming close. We got, let's see, 186 is that first target if we're gonna get down there.
Top the Orby high? Question.
Ready to work out today because your boy cut out carbs. Except
How's
like,
your training progress going?
huh?
I said, oh yeah, how's your training progress going?
It's good being back. You know what I'm saying? Like the past 2 days, I felt extremely fat. Being honest with you, because this is the first week back fully training with my trainer since Europe. So it's feeling good. Body's getting better, everything like that. Because I'm trying to drop like 13 pounds before Mexico. So I'm cutting everything out, no sugar, everything, like trying to cut it as aggressive as, because I know once I'm in Mexico, I'm eating everything at the resort. It is what it is. I don't train to get fit. I train so I can travel and eat whatever I want. We are not the same.
It's also very beneficial because muscle burns more calories than fat does. So by building more muscle, you're also making your calorie burning count like higher, so you can also eat more.
That's very wise, BP. You see, the guy knows everything.
Wise
about
words from the
subject.
oh great one.
Facts.
No, because I did put on a couple pounds in Europe, not gonna lie. I did pack on a couple. Just trying to get those couple pounds off so I could eat again. So So right now, like I already told my trainer, I'm doing like a hybrid diet now. Still doing what he kind of wants, but I told him what I'm doing. He said I'll be good. Doing more of a carnivore style diet, except like my meal before working out today, I'll have a banana with the protein shake, and that's my only carbs for the day.
Yeah, you were saying your hybrid diet, which you get high and eat bread. So there's that.
No, I don't think I said that, Steve. I don't think I said that, sir. I did not say that. Is that BP spitting knowledge? BP's always spitting knowledge. Whatever motivates us is good. Oh, yes, listen, listen. My reservations for the resort are already set for all the restaurants. Like, your boy's eating.
Oh, Duane, you ever thought about being like a travel advisor or something?
Honestly, I've been thinking about it because everyone's like, oh man, put me on game because I know the ins and outs of all these places I go.
You should get like an advanced agent designation from X-Correct. They should just comp you a room every 4 weeks because you're just sending everybody that direction.
That is true. I'm actually not gonna lie. Me and Brenda, we've been thinking about. We're gonna see when we go. I'm thinking about buying a membership for the X-Correct.
What does that get you?
It gets you 50% off all your stays.
This is looking more bearish. Yes,
so you pay like a lump sum and then you can get those 50 or something like that.
Yeah, I would have to drop like, I think it was $10,000 to $12,000 and $100 a year after that. But you get 50% off, and you always get upgraded as well. So if the presidential suite is only $12,000, with 50% off, that's only $6,000. You know what I'm saying? Mathy mathing. What's up, Ule? Good morning, brother, or good evening to you, sir. Good evening to you. We lost that pivot point. We should keep on falling here.
Well, we're right at the whole number there, Umbre.
Umbre. We are at that 200 level, but even with that, I still feel like we're gonna have a strong retracement since all we did was push.
He's getting ready to trade. I can see in his eyes.
No, I'm turning my mouse off right now.
No, that's
it's interacting.
Your mouse is red.
Yeah, it's off. Like, look, I'm clicking. Nothing's happening. Mouse is off.
How come we can see your take profit trader?
No, you're totally good. I was thinking that if we don't get the candle closure below 186, then it might pop.
Let me wake my computer up before I go to sleep. That shows I haven't been trying to trade. My computer just went to sleep.
Or you just switch the thing that goes black.
We also have a little bit of bullish S&P as well because NQ just made it a lower low and ES made a higher low. On a lower time frame, we're also challenging bullish, like the 50. You know what I mean? Like it's technically the 50 is the flipper for the MACD. So
I'm still on this 15-minute chart, and I have that fair value gap marked up, so it kind of look like we're pushing down to go into that zone. Do you see where I'm talking about, BP, on that 15-minute chart? You know, the 15-minute entry, we had both of those two big-ass green candles, and they left behind a crazy gap. So it might be filling.
Yeah, this is a bull flag. This is a bull flag right here, boys. This is a textbook bull flag. So enjoy it. Enjoy it.
Technically, ES tagged into that gap you're talking about, but NQ didn't. So that is a type of bullish S&T. It's just within the momentum rather than at the swing point.
I'm hoping we wick it, like get a little wick down in there. It's gonna take a while though, because it's on the 15-minute chart. You look down at for 5 minutes.
Yes, it's trying.
5 minutes creeping down there. It's creeping there.
We're coming up to that 1048 candle. This could be the confirmation.
And 1 minute is creeping towards that.
On 3rd minute, we got like flag forming.
We got a bull flag right there on the 5 as well. So be careful, market makers. Do you guys want to stay on, because I will leave the call open I'm
Nah, I
jumping
need to get off
out
these
of
charts
here.
before I crash out.
Probably same here. It's up to you. It's up to Anthony.
Yeah, I'm getting up too.
Though. Alrighty,
Go
we are
focus on
calling
getting
it.
payroll done.
Well,
I'm gonna stay on by myself then and just talk to myself.
I'll stick around then. I'll stick around for a minute, Steve.
all right, BP, I'll make you the host. Market makers, nothing but love. I will catch y'all tonight on the Hangout or tomorrow morning like usual. Stay safe in these markets, fellas.
Likewise. Catch y'all later.
Hey, have a good day, Duane.
Yes, sir. BP, which one are you?
I'm a BPPBBP.
All right. Steve confused me over here. So, all right. Have a good one, boys.
See ya.
Yeah.
All right, everyone on the YouTube streams, I'm out. Enjoy the rest of your day. Stay safe in these markets. Catch you on the Hangout. Deuces.